In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write the diameter symbol in AutoCAD. If you work with mechanical parts or circular features, you'll use the diameter symbol frequently. The good news is, AutoCAD makes it simple to insert the correct symbol so your text is clear, consistent, and professional. Start by editing the text where you want the symbol to appear. Make sure your cursor is placed exactly at the spot in the sentence where the diameter symbol should go. Right before the number, for example. As soon as you begin editing, you'll notice the Text Editor tab appear on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This tab only shows up when you're actively editing text, and it gives you all the tools you need for formatting and inserting special characters. On the Text Editor tab, look for the Insert section. Within that section, you'll find an option labeled Symbols. Click Symbols to open a small menu of commonly used special characters. You'll see items like degree, plus/minus, and the one we want here, the diameter symbol. Go ahead and select the diameter symbol from that list. The symbol will insert directly at your cursor location inside the text you're editing. If you need it in more than one place, simply place your cursor at each desired spot and choose the symbol again. It will match the size, font, and style of your current text, so everything stays consistent. If you want a space between the symbol and the number, just tap the spacebar after inserting it. If you accidentally place it in the wrong spot, use undo or reposition your cursor and insert it again. A quick note on context. This method works anywhere you can edit text in AutoCAD, such as notes, callouts, or other annotations. It's a reliable way to ensure the proper symbol appears, instead of typing a letter that only looks similar. Using the Insert Symbols command also helps maintain standards across your drawings, which is especially important when you're sharing files with others or following a company template. And there you go. The diameter symbol is now in your text. That's all there is to it. Edit the text, open the Symbols menu, from the Insert section on the Text Editor tab, pick the diameter symbol, and continue typing. Once you're satisfied, your annotation will clearly show the correct symbol, making your drawings easier to read and more accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting!